Next one is how to scroll down or scroll up in a page. So sometimes what happens, a page is a very big page and you want to perform some action on a element which is in the down, right? So in that case, what you will do, how you will click on that particular element, right? So sometime anyway that Selenium is there. Selenium by default itself uses the feature to scroll the page till that particular element. Suppose if I want to click on action, automatically it will scroll down and it will click on the action link. But sometimes it even don't work like in that way because it depends on the HTML also, what kind of HTML and language they have used. And if in this case, if not able to perform the action, like I want to click on the actions, but to click on action I need to scroll down, right? Otherwise how you will click on that? You will not be able to click because it should be display in your screen. Only after that you will be able to click on that. So in that case we are in the need of scrolling the page. Okay, so how we can scroll down the page in our Selenium? So there are multiple ways are given to scroll down the page. So first one is we can use it by pixel, like with how many pixel you want to scroll it down. So for that again we have to use the JavaScript executor. Okay, we'll create one another class for the scroll jumper. We create the main method in that. Click on a finish. Copy the same line of a code. Paste it here because it is the same, and it will throw the exception. Now I don't want to click, so I will remove it, and this is one of the element that I want to click. And here I will change the XPath because I want to click on the actions now. Actions. Alright, so in place of contact us, I will change to actions. Sorry, it is in the capital, so we have to put the same syntax, same text here. Right, now first of all we have to scroll it down. So you have to use same JavaScript, but the command is changed now. This is the JavaScript that we are using here. Windows.scroll by. Suppose I want to scroll only by 100 pixel. This 100 is the pixel, right? Or first argument basically we use for the horizontal. Second one we use for the vertical. So by 100 pixel vertically we want to scroll it down. Okay, let's see, will it scroll it down or not? So you can see the scroll bar is moved down. I will put it more so that you will be able to see. Let's put 1000. You can see the scroll bar is down now
Yes.
instead of that. So in many times we are in the requirement to scroll down the page, but still I have put 100,000, but still my actions button was not coming on the screen. It was like here on the button click, right? And we don't come to know like how much pixels we have to put to scroll down to click on that particular web element. So in that case, what we can do is we can scroll down till the web element, that which one we want to click on it. It will automatically scroll down till that particular element. Let's see how we can do the same. I will paste it, copy this line, comment this line, and I need to cut it. Okay, and my element is this. Let me see the syntax. What it will do, it will scroll down till the element, and then it will, if you want to perform any other operation, then you can click it as well. Suppose I will click on that, say I will give some thread or flip for 3000 seconds, sorry, 3000 milliseconds, and then I will click on it. Because once it is visible on the screen, then we can do our operations on that same. Actually, actions is game, but this you can see this red is there, no? So that's why it is not able to perform the click operations, but it has scrolled down till the actions button for you.
Yes. Like how to handle this kind of scenarios, Rahul?
Which kind of scenario?
In the current scenario, like it's scroll down to actions, okay?
Huh?
Like we are unable to perform click action on the action
Yeah,
button.
because this one is there, no? So in that case, we should be able to disappear it, and there should be a way to dismiss this. But it is not showing for this screen. Maybe we can ask your developer, please give a close button or a close icon, so that we can close this and then we can perform our operation on that. But I can see they don't have anything like such.
Yes, here nothing is there.
Nothing is there, no? So if
Yes.
nothing is there, we'll not able to do anything for this. It is not getting disappear. We can't even close this.
Yes.
So if such kind of a scenarios comes, first you have to close that with a
Mm.
close icon or a close button or dismiss, and then you
Okay.
have to perform the action on that, because
Okay.
it is hiding it. It was coming like this, and
Okay.
so what it was doing, it was getting hide under that.
Okay. Got it. So if I want to click on dismiss, yeah, again, like we have to
Write
handle it
down, yeah, you
alert.
have, right, we have to handle it and write it down like same way, one more line do for x path we have to find it, and then we have to again click on the same.
Okay. Okay.
Let's try with some 4000 pixels. But if it is not there na, in that case we can ask to developer also, like how to dismiss it.
Okay, Rahul.
So
Okay.
they can add one close icon or something in that, and we will be able to handle the same.
Okay. Yeah, I think we 3.5 may work, Rahul.
I'm trying with 3500 pixels. The most way used is this one only. Argument 0, scroll into view and then click on element, because we don't need to bother about the pixel, how many pixels we have to use, and it will click on that. Where is that actions? Or the X path is wrong. Let me check once. It is saying actually element. What I will give some thread dot slip here because it is saying not able to click. Why? Whenever it is says like not able to click, right? So it means the element is in the moving status. We are not able to click on that at that time. So what I will do, I will add some weight here, and this line of a code I will cut it from here. I will paste it here. So we will try to find the element after the scrolling down of the page, and then we will perform the operation on it. But actions actually still it is not on the actions.
Yeah, it's hidden like top
Yeah,
side.
yeah,
Gives
it's
around some 3,000 Rahul and see or 3,200 or 3,100.
maybe 2500. We'll see.
Okay.
And okay, it is worked now.
Yes.
So actions was coming exact in between, and it was not getting hide also under this red one. So this time it was able to click on the same because it was getting properly displayed. So it has clicked on it.
Yes.
So this is how you can handle the scrolling down also with the help of a pixel, and also as well as with the help of a scroll into the view. So scroll into the view will display that particular element into your screen after that. And there are some
Rahul, just one question here, like in interview, in case if they ask this question, will they ask us to write the syntax or they just ask about the concept?
maybe they will ask about the this syntax mainly, like Java. What is the syntax for JavaScript executor and this execute script? But maybe they will not bother much about the script which is getting written internally here.
Okay.
But they will ask what are different ways for scroll down or up, and what is the syntax for that, what you will use. So you should tell like you will use JavaScript executor. This is how you have to create the object of a JavaScript executor, and you have to use gs.execute script, and in the execute script we have to use a JavaScript this scripts query, and it will work for us. Okay, but
Okay.
at least that much you have to tell. If you don't remember this syntax, because this is maybe difficult or we don't remember same at that time, but at least you should know about the JavaScript executor you have to use to scroll down the page.
Okay. Rahul.
Okay, and there are some other ways also for scrolling down and up. So if you want to scroll down in the bottom of the page, so what you can do, this is the JavaScript query for the same that you can use. So it will scroll down the page till the last. This time I will not click anything, and this is again I will copy this, comment the same line. Let's try to run. So it will scroll down the page till the last, till the end of the page. Okay, so it has scrolled the scroll bar till the end of the your page. And if there is some horizontal bar is there, so in that case you can use the second method that I have told, scroll into the page, so automatically it will scroll the horizontally also for you. If there was some horizontal and you are having some element in the corner, so if you will use scroll into the page, so in that case that element will come into the display for you, either it is horizontal it has to scroll down or it has to vertically scroll down, but it will be automatically scroll down till that particular element for you, right? So this is the horizontal scroll down that you can do the same approach you can do for the same.
Okay.
Okay, so there are some horizontal and vertical ways. So vertically you can use by pixels, by visibility of element, or by the bottom of the page also. And if horizontal is there, so in horizontal you can use the scroll down into the view method.